Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Justina Renee, also known as Tini Tutorials on YouTube. I know right now you guys are probably thinking, Justina, what the hell, where have you been? And I'm here to answer you guys' questions and just to basically inform you guys and let you guys in on what's been going on, where I've been, why I haven't uploaded. I know it's been weeks since I've uploaded a YouTube video and I feel so bad about it, but I just kind of want to let you guys know what's going on and why I haven't uploaded and just in on everything that's been going on in my life. And I'm doing this because I do want to be closer to everybody on my YouTube and everybody in my YouTube family. And I know that I've grown in subscribers this past December due to, like, I think Instagram videos and stuff like that. So I really just want to sit here and talk to you guys and let you guys know what's been going on, where I've been, and just like assure you guys that I will be uploading now. So last month in December, I stopped uploading, and that's because I was just really busy and I had finals and it was, you know, the holidays, and I was just hanging out with my family, and I was like, you know what, I can just start fresh in January and I'll be all good, you know. And then January came and me and Austin had this idea to get our own place together. Austin is my boyfriend and we've been together for going on 3 years now, and we really just wanted our own place to really do what we want to do. Austin does music and I obviously make videos, and we just really wanted our own space to do what we want to do. And we thought, like, being around each other, like doing exactly what we want to do, is just gonna push us forward and help us both out. So we were like, you know what, let's get our own place. But we were planning on not moving in together till the summer. However, we just started looking around and kind of were like, you know what, let's just do it right away. Like, let's just, you know, it's January, new year, new us. No, I'm totally kidding. But, you know, it's a new month, new year. Let's just get it over with in January, just so we can have the whole year just to, you know, do us. So we found an apartment, and I'm actually filming this intro. I'm actually already in our apartment. And the reason for this is because I filmed an intro when I first filmed the apartment tour, and I didn't like how it came out whatsoever. I just did not like it. So I'm refilming the intro right now. But anyways, we were just looking for apartments, and, you know, I was just so busy and kind of caught up in everything in the moment and just trying to find the right place for us. And you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot that goes into filming videos, editing, uploading, and all this content. Like, it takes time and it takes energy and effort, and I didn't want to do half-ass videos for you guys. And I really was like, should I start uploading come January? But I was like, you know what, I can't just jump into a video January on YouTube and just be like, you know, my go-to makeup routine. Like, everybody's gonna be like, what do you mean you haven't uploaded in weeks? Like, what are you doing? So that's why I thought, you know what, I need to do an empty apartment tour. So we found an apartment that we liked, and we're all moved in now, but I really wanted to show you guys the apartment and just show you guys around and let you guys know what I've been doing, where I've been. So that is exactly what I'm doing today. I really hope you guys are excited to see this, and I just want to let you guys know that I will be uploading on my regular schedule, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays from this point on. From today on, I will be uploading regular schedule and regular timing, so you guys don't have to worry about me not uploading or anything like that. There will be videos from now on. So if you guys have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below, and also follow me on all of my social medias. Although I haven't been posting on YouTube, I actually did post a couple mini tutorials on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me, I'll have that linked in the description box down below, so you guys can go and follow me. But yeah, I just want to jump straight into the video, guys. If you guys would like to see my empty apartment tour, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we are on the 3rd floor, and you walk in and here's our living room. So the floor right here is all wood, and then it's carpet. And yeah, here's the living room. It's not that big, but I mean, big enough for me and Austin. And then you walk over here, and I literally love the floors. I just think they're so nice. So you walk over here, here's like the dining room area, and it has white blinds already, which I love. And then outside we have a patio out there. And then over here we have the kitchen. So the kitchen isn't that big, honestly. But I mean, like I said, it's big enough for me and Austin, and I don't know, I feel like it's just so clean. It really is nice for like our first apartment. So yeah. So we'll have little cabinets right here on the side of the fridge, and yeah, I feel like it'll fit like a lot, which I don't know how much food me and Austin will have here all the time, but yeah, I feel like there's like enough cabinet space and everything. And then there's the dishwasher, the sink area. We do have like a lot of cabinets, so that's a plus. Okay, so here was the kitchen. There's the living room once again. And then I'm going to show you guys the hallway. Did I just say gonna? I meant I'm gonna show you guys the hallway. So this is like a little hallway down here. And to the left right here, we have just a closet, storage closet. I could put towels, I don't know, cleaning supplies or vacuum, stuff like that. And then right here to the right, we have the bathroom. So the floor is still the same. And then we have little cabinets underneath here, toilet, and then the shower does have a bath. I don't know if I'll be taking baths in this one necessarily, but in the master bathroom, definitely. And then here's the mirror. Sorry guys, there's me, but there's the mirror. And it also has like a little mirror on the side right there. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so coming out of the bathroom, there's this right here, and it's empty right now, and these slide open. And we're gonna have our washer dryer unit in here. So yeah, that's what that is. And then right here we have other little storage space, little cabinets, so that's nice. And then we walk in here, where's the light switch at? So we walk in here, and here's another bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. And I don't know why, I just love these rooms. I don't know why, and I love the carpet in them. Looks super clean. And then here's the closet. The closet is pretty spacey, honestly, and I told Austin that he can put, where's the light switch at? I told Austin that he can put some of his clothes in here because he has so much clothes, guys, let me tell you guys, and shoes and all that. So I'm like, you can use this for some of your clothes too. So yeah, here is this bedroom, and then obviously you guys can see outside of it, that's the hallway and the kitchen right there where we just came from. But yeah, here's this bedroom. And this bedroom, honestly, so it's gonna be used for either me to film in, like my makeup videos and all that, or so that Austin can do all of his recording because he does music. So I don't know, we haven't really decided yet. If I can film somewhere else in the house, like in the dining room or living room or something, or in our room even, like I will do that just so he can have this room to himself. But yeah, walking down the hallway out of that room, I'm gonna show you guys the master bedroom. So again, the kitchen, and then right here, the little dining room. And here is Jelly. She's with me, just watching me record. Okay, so walking in here, here is the master bedroom. Oh, it looks dark as hell. Okay, so here is the master bedroom. I don't know why it looks darker in here, but yeah, it's a little bit more spacey than the other room. So we have two windows. That's the first window, and then the second window is over there. And then over here, we have the closet. So I am in love with this closet, guys. I don't know, oh my goodness, I've never had a closet this big before. So I'm super excited about this closet. So I feel like I'm gonna put like purses and shoes right here, and then all of my clothes. And I made Austin get the bottom rack. Austin already put some of his clothes in here, that's why they're there. We came earlier today. So yeah, he already has a little bit of stuff in here, but I'm gonna get the top rack right there, and then all my shoes, purses, stuff like that. And then he can always put his shoes and stuff like that too, but I feel like he has other room in the other room, so I'm like, you can use that other room too. And then walking over here, we have the other bathroom. So this is what the other bathroom looks like. It's the same woodish floors, and then obviously the same cabinets, just like the other bathroom. Toilet, shower, and then here's the mirror, and there's me again. So it does have another mirror just like the other bathroom, so I don't know why I love like the double mirror, like the mirror on the side. So yeah, this is basically it. And then we have a little window as well. I'm actually gonna close these curtains in a second, but yeah. But yeah, here is the master bedroom. I'm honestly really in love with this apartment, guys. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's like my first apartment, first time moving out. I'm just so excited. But yeah, this is the apartment and I actually am in love with it. Everything about it, I'm just like, this is so nice, especially for our first apartment together. I love it. Alrighty guys, so that does conclude this empty apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed just looking around my apartment and seeing, you know, where I've been and why I've been so MIA on YouTube. Like, this is what I've been doing and I'm so excited. I'm just so happy that like me and Austin get to like share this experience. I don't know, it's just like, I've never ever lived away from my family and it's kind of scary, but at the same time I'm just so happy and I'm not like worried or scared or anything like that. Like, I'm genuinely so happy to be here and I'm so happy that we actually did it. And I don't know, I'm just so excited for 2019, guys, and I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I'm just so happy and I'm so ready for this next chapter in both of our lives. And I don't know, I'm just so excited, guys, and just be expecting more content altogether. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. Also, make sure that you guys turn on the notification bell so you guys are notified every time that I do upload. You guys do not want to miss a video. Like I said, there's going to be a lot more content this year, so be expecting that. If you guys have any ideas, definitely let me know down below. And yeah, just follow me on all my social media. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.